قد أفلح المؤمنون.
Certainly will the believers have succeeded.
الذين هم في صلاتهم خاشعون.
They who are during their prayer humbly submissive.
والذين هم عن اللغو معرضون.
And they who turn away from ill speech.
والذين هم للزكاة فاعلون.
And they who are observant of zakah.
والذين هم لفروجهم حافظون.
And they who guard their private parts.
إلا على أزواجهم أو ما ملكت أيمانهم فإنهم غير ملومين.
Except from their wives or those their right hands possess, for indeed they will not be blamed.
فمن ابتغى وراء ذلك فأولئك هم العادون.
But whoever seeks beyond that, then those are the transgressors.
والذين هم لأماناتهم وعهدهم راعون.
And they who are to their trusts and their promises attentive.
والذين هم على صلواتهم يحافظون.
And they who carefully maintain their prayers.
أولئك هم الوارثون.
Those are the inheritors.
الذين يرثون الفردوس هم فيها خالدون.
Who will inherit Al-Firdaus. They will abide therein eternally.
ولقد خلقنا الإنسان من سلالة من طين.
And certainly did we create man from an extract of clay.
ثم جعلناه نطفة في قرار مكين.
Then we placed him as a sperm drop in a firm lodging.
ثم خلقنا النطفة علقة فخلقنا العلقة مضغة فخلقنا المضغة عظاما فكسونا العظام لحما ثم أنشأناه خلقا آخر فتبارك الله أحسن الخالقين.
Then we made the sperm drop into a clinging clot, and we made the clot into a lump of flesh, and we made from the lump bones, and we covered the bones with flesh. Then we developed him into another creation. So blessed is Allah, the best of creators.
ثم إنكم بعد ذلك لميتون.
Then indeed, after that you are to die.
ثم إنكم يوم القيامة تبعثون.
Then indeed you, on the day of resurrection, will be resurrected.
ولقد خلقنا فوقكم 7 طرائق وما كنا عن الخلق غافلين.
And we have created above you 7 layered heavens, and never have we been of our creation unaware.
وأنزلنا من السماء ماء بقدر فأسكناه في الأرض وإنا على ذهاب به لقادرون.
And we have sent down rain from the sky in a measured amount and settled it in the earth. And indeed, we are able to take it away.
فأنشأنا لكم به جنات من نخيل وأعناب لكم فيها فواكه كثيرة ومنها تأكلون.
And we brought forth for you thereby gardens of palm trees and grapevines in which for you are abundant fruits and from which you eat.
وشجرة تخرج من طور سيناء تنبت بالدهن وصبغ للآكلين.
And we brought forth a tree issuing from Mount Sinai, which produces oil and food for those who eat.
وَإِنَّ لَكُمْ فِي الْأَنْعَامِ لَعِبْرَةً نُسْقِيكُم مِّمَّا فِي بُطُونِهَا وَلَكُمْ فِيهَا مَنَافِعُ كَثِيرَةٌ وَمِنْهَا تَأْكُلُونَ.
And indeed, for you in livestock is a lesson. We give you drink from that which is in their bellies, and for you in them are numerous benefits, and from them you eat.
وَعَلَيْهَا وَعَلَى الْفُلْكِ تُحْمَلُونَ.
And upon them and on ships you are carried.
وَلَقَدْ أَرْسَلْنَا نُوحًا إِلَىٰ قَوْمِهِ فَقَالَ يَا قَوْمِ اعْبُدُوا اللَّهَ مَا لَكُم مِّنْ إِلَٰهٍ غَيْرُهُ أَفَلَا تَتَّقُونَ.
And we had certainly sent Noah to his people, and he said, O my people, worship Allah, you have no deity other than Him. Then will you not fear Him?
فقال الملأ الذين كفروا من قومه ما هذا إلا بشر مثلكم يريد أن يتفضل عليكم ولو شاء الله لأنزل ملائكة ما سمعنا بهذا في آبائنا الأولين.
But the eminent among those who disbelieved from his people said, This is not but a man like yourselves who wishes to take precedence over you. And if Allah had willed to send a messenger, He would have sent down angels. We have not heard of this among our forefathers.
إن هو إلا رجل به جنة فتربصوا به حتى حين.
He is not but a man possessed with madness, so wait concerning him for a time.
قال رب انصرني بما كذبون.
Noah said, My Lord, support me because they have denied me.
فأوحينا إليه أن اصنع الفلك بأعيننا ووحينا فإذا جاء أمرنا وفاردت النور فاسلك فيها من كل زوجين اثنين وأهلك إلا من سبق عليه القول منهم ولا تخاطبني في الذين ظلموا إنهم مغرقون.
So we inspired to him, Construct the ship under our observation and our inspiration, and when our command comes and the oven overflows, put into the ship from each creature 2 mates and your family, except those for whom the decree of destruction has proceeded. And do not address me concerning those who have wronged. Indeed, they are to be drowned.
فإذا استويت أنت ومن معك على الفلك فقل الحمد لله الذي نجانا من القوم الظالمين.
And when you have boarded the ship, you and those with you, then say, Praise to Allah who has saved us from the wrongdoing people.
وقل رب أنزلني منزلا مباركا وأنت خير المنزلين.
And say, My Lord, let me land at a blessed landing place, and you are the best to accommodate us.
إن في ذلك لآيات وإن كنا لمبتلين.
Indeed, in that are signs, and indeed we are ever testing our servants.
ثم أنشأنا من بعدهم قرنا آخرين.
Then we produced after them a generation of others.
فأرسلنا فيهم رسولا منهم أن اعبدوا الله ما لكم من إله غيره أفلا تتقون.
And we sent among them a messenger from themselves, saying, Worship Allah, you have no deity other than Him. Then will you not fear Him?
وقال الملأ من قومه الذين كفروا وكذبوا بلقاء الآخرة وأترفناهم في الحياة الدنيا ما هذا إلا بشر مثلكم يأكل مما تأكلون منه ويشرب مما تشربون.
And the eminent among his people who disbelieved and denied the meeting of the hereafter, while we had given them luxury in the worldly life, said, This is not but a man like yourselves. He eats of that from which you eat, and drinks of what you drink.
وَلَئِنْ أَطَعْتُمْ بَشَرًا مِثْلَكُمْ إِنَّكُمْ إِذًا لَخَاسِرُونَ.
And if you should obey a man like yourselves, indeed, you would then be losers.
أَيَعِدُكُمْ أَنَّكُمْ إِذَا مِتُّمْ وَكُنْتُمْ تُرَابًا وَعِظَامًا أَنَّكُمْ مُخْرَجُونَ.
Does he promise you that when you have died and become dust and bones, that you will be brought forth once more?
هَيْهَاتَ هَيْهَاتَ لِمَا تُوعَدُونَ.
How far is that which you are promised?
إِنْ هِيَ إِلَّا حَيَاتُنَا الدُّنْيَا نَمُوتُ وَنَحْيَا وَمَا نَحْنُ بِمَبْعُوثِينَ.
Life is not but our worldly life. We die and live, but we will not be resurrected.
إِنْ هُوَ إِلَّا رَجُلٌ افْتَرَى عَلَى اللَّهِ كَذِبًا وَمَا نَحْنُ لَهُ بِمُؤْمِنِينَ.
He is not but a man who has invented a lie about Allah, and we will not believe him.
قَالَ رَبِّ انصُرْنِي بِمَا كَذَّبُونَ.
He said, My Lord, support me because they have denied me.
قال عما قليل ليصبحن نادمين.
Allah said, After a little, they will surely become regretful.
فأخذتهم الصيحة بالحق فجعلناهم غثاء فبعدا للقوم الظالمين.
So the shriek seized them in truth, and we made them as plant stubble. Then away with the wrongdoing people.
ثم أنشأنا من بعدهم قرونا آخرين.
Then we produced after them other generations.
ما تسبق من أمة أجلها وما يستأخرون.
No nation will precede its time of termination, nor will they remain thereafter.
ثم أرسلنا رسلنا تترى كلما جاء أمة رسولها كذبوه فأتبعنا بعضهم بعضا وجعلناهم أحاديث فبعدا لقوم لا يؤمنون.
Then we sent our messengers in succession. Every time there came to a nation its messenger, they denied him. So we made them follow one another to destruction, and we made them narrations. So away with the people who do not believe.
ثم أرسلنا موسى وأخاه هارون بآياتنا وسلطان مبين.
Then we sent Moses and his brother Aaron with our signs and a clear authority.